Hi there, this video is called Outside Heavy Rain Weather Forecast for the UK 2019. I'm in Brookwood village. As you can hear, the rain's very heavy. Very heavy. I'll look a bit brighter, it's quite dark. There we go. Quite a stormy day today, quite wet. We've got thunderstorms around in the south today. Very wet today, very wet. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Quite ambassador spot with the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. And please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. Thunderstorm weather today. Bye everyone.